Alright, so today we're going to be showing a little tip for installing the GPS antenna. So in this vehicle, typically we want to put them underneath the dash here. This is normally plastic, there might be some metal underneath here, so you have to be careful of that. You can just install them up here and nicely tuck the wires. We don't want to do that for this install. So behind the center channel speaker grills is typically the best spot to mount them. So we're going to pull out the display first. Set that to the side, and then we're going to peel off the 3M tape here. And then we're going to look for a spot where we can mount it where this is facing up and there's no metal above it. So I'm just going to feel in here, and there's no metal right here. I'm just going to go back in here, set it on a flat surface where it will be able to sit. Make sure you press down on it really hard so it actually sticks. And we're just going to run our wire down through here. We've got our VLine in the glove box, so we'll just run this wire into here real quick. Leave a little slack behind the radio, that way all of our wire doesn't end up in here. We're going to do the same thing with the rest of this wire. And there we go, we got the GPS installed right now, and then we just got to clean up a little bit of the wiring.